Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2019 Chevy Equinox Premier. This Equinox only has 10,443 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is an all-wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. And we do have our back tinted windows and 19-inch bright machine aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this Equinox, you can see that we do have our jet black leather seating with a tan lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated seats on both sides, a spot to charge your phone, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.